Hey guys, how is it going? This is Kovid from Coder Kovid YouTube channel, and today we are going to head over more advanced in function. So, without getting said, let's jump right into it. So, if you haven't yet subscribed our channel, then don't forget to subscribe Coder Kovid YouTube channel because you'll get Python and other programming related stuffs here. So today, but you have to join Tech Samaj to ask me questions and give me answers of my questions. Here we can interact with each other. So, and if you want to contact me in social medias, the link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And then, if you want to see my repositories that are written in this video, you can go to github.com/coderkovid. So the link also will be in the description box below. Without getting said, let's get started. So function is def. So we will call the function that Kovid, and I print out my name is Kovid. Okay, Kovid, and here. So it's alright. The code will run good. You can see here the code will. Sorry, we have to again call this Kovid here, and then it will run. Yeah, you can see here my name is Kovid. It's running excellently. So it's just like a function that we have learned previously, isn't it? So this is a kind of simple thing, that defining a function and giving the function a name. Okay, so in this lesson we'll know about why is this bracket for. Think guys, why would be this bracket for? So the bracket is for arguments. So everything that goes inside this, we call it arguments. So in this case, we'll pass an argument of x. Okay. So while printing out the function, you have to call Kovid, and inside the bracket here, you have to call what value of x you want to give to it. It can be list, it can be integer, it can be float, it can be string, any primitive data types that we learned in previous lesson. So you can use any of them. So in this case, I am using Kovid. Okay. Okay. So here an error. So here the error is gone. And now, why is this necessary? So if I print it like this, the code is same. Why do we need x? Think this is because we are taking input from user and processing it. So here we have to process it. If I just remove this, so like this, if I remove this and this, and if I put like this, and if I do concatenation of x, okay, so you can see a mysterious thing here. You can see my name is Kovid. It's printed. So every time I change here, like Alex. So if I save and again I run this program, it gives me the key value, that is my name is Alex. So this is what the arguments do for you in programming in Python. So You can don't think that you can only put one arguments, that it can be just unlimited. It's not like one or two, it's not limited. You can use as much arguments as you can, but you have to verify, determine all the values for those. So way we determine is inside this printing one. So Alex, comma, here we'll put and gender. So not gender. Okay, gender, yeah, male. And here we'll put the age of 14. Okay, so, and we will print like this. Print my gender is age, and with to concatenation. So guys, one thing I want to say that joining this string with string is called as concatenation. So it's all. So if I put like this and I pass y here, again print my age is, and here if I do here like this code will give me an error. I will tell you why this error comes. Okay guys, so I don't know why this guy is okay. So you can see it's error in 7th line and 4th line. So what is it telling is we have given the value of 14 in Jade as Jade in 7th line. So here we have 14. That is integer. We have learned it before. And if we look over here, print my age plus, so must be string. So this plus works only for strings. What could we do for integers and floats? So for that you have to use comma. It's just so simple guys. Okay. And if I run it, yeah, you can see the code is working properly and with efficient way. So you can see my name is Alex. So as I change this to Coder Kovid, and if I do F10, sorry, 1, and that returns me as my name is Coder Kovid, my gender is M. So this M is just a kind of freaky, so let us put male. And here guys, you can do like this M. Okay, so we will do like an if then else statement here, and I will write a code in just a while and bring it right in front of you. So my code is here guys. So hope you guys will like this code, because you can see if the code is the input if is M, so it will return me male. And if I put F female, if I put male here directly here, okay, so here it returns me value of what is that? So that is value of male. So guys, this much for today. These were some arguments video. So in sixth video tutorial, and we will be learning about something about if then else statement. So as we did here, so we will continue from this code to code onward, and you can find this code in my code repository of my GitHub account. So don't forget to check it out. And if you want to contact me on Facebook, you can search for Kovid Rajpanti or Coder Kovid. You can find my page too. You can like them. All the links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. This much for today. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.